Thanks for joining us on GCPS Tech Tips. Today in our one-to-one series, we will look at some tips and tricks to make navigating your Google Drive easier. Your Google Drive is a place where you can store files, collaborate with others, and it syncs across multiple devices. It also can do so much more. Today we are going to look into 4 tips that you can use when working in your Google Drive. The first 2 tips include keyboard shortcuts. Google Drive offers 2 different views. You can view your files and folders in a list or in a grid. Toggle between these 2 views by clicking on the list or grid icon. Now press the letter V on your keyboard. Did you notice something? This keyboard shortcut also toggles between views when your Google Drive is open. Need to share a file quickly? Click on the file and then right-click to select Share. But to go straight to the Share window, you can select the file or folder and then press the period on your keyboard. You can have a lot of fun organizing your folders in Google Drive. Color code folders by right-clicking on them and then select the Change Color option. Do you like emojis? Use an emoji keyboard or website to add emojis to your folder names to make finding them even easier. Speaking of finding files and folders, let's take a look at the search bar in your Google Drive. Search for file types by clicking in the search bar and selecting the file type below. To dig even deeper, click on the icon to the right of the search bar that shows search options. Here you can narrow your search by owner, location, and more. Google Drive has a lot of built-in features. These 4 tips can make organizing, sharing, and finding files easier in class. We will see you next time on GCPS Tech Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe.